Uptown Swing, Mikey B with gorgeous hair. Now,
So,
also not bad hair. We did cool moves.
cool moves, y'all. Let's start it up. So this starts like a swing out, but we're gonna add a little special turn at the end of it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, rock, step. So we have to remember for all of these three that we're going to do right now, the prep starts on 8, and the leaders are following the followers to this move. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, triple step, 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 rock, step.
Followers is a step, step turn, so you are turning 360 with just those 1, 2, 3 steps.
We can do the same exact turn with the arm. Goes like this. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, triple step, 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 rock, step. Leaders, make sure that you're actually going towards the follower to finish off this move. And it's going to be very important for the next move that we are moving forward, because we are going to take that turn and go right into another swing out with it. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, triple step, 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 triple step.
You can do many of the row, but make sure leads start moving forward on this step, step, and then finish up.
Yeah, I want to do it one more time. I want you to notice how far I'm going on that second 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. I'm marked by her side so that I can go right into my triple step, 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 triple step. Cool? Then we did a little skip circle, starting from open. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And skip, and skip, and skip. And we can do this as long as we want. Boop, bop, and pa. And then we did a little lunge out of it, leaders.
So yeah, follows did this little scoop with their leg, but make sure your weight is still over this leg so you don't lean forward and don't open up.
Yeah,
and we brought it closer.
Yeah, we're going to bring the follower closer, and we are going to lunge forward through that movement. So we don't just want to like hop out of the circle. We're going to go right through the follower. Let's do it one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bop, 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 bop. Right through the follower. Try to over rotate, over rotate. All right. Next move, little slingshot from a pass by. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So we are taking just a normal, change places. We are taking out that second triple step and putting the follow right into a rock step. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, I'm going to take my energy down and away. Boom! We're going to get that motion, so we really feel that slingshot. Here, and that's our prep to do the jump. Here we go, and prep, and boom.
And that's what we did.